I've had a few requests where subscribers wanted me to talk about how to grow a really nice turf. So whenever the subscribers want something, I set out to do it. I have a cousin. They just built a new home in Macomb, Michigan, and we're going to use her home. So this is a family member, my cousin and her family. So this is the front yard, and we'll walk in the backyard. But we're going to spray everything down with Buccaneer Plus. You can get this at an elevator. That I buy it at our local elevator, 2.5 gallon jug. It's in a concentrate. I mix it 6 ounces per gallon. And then this is key. This really, and I have no relationship with this company. We're not a distributor of their product or anything. You definitely want, this is a bag that zips up. That's, you got a shoulder harness, and we'll show you how to use it as we move forward. But that's a must. There's a couple of things that I consider a must for success. That'd be one of them. So they've already been working really, really hard. I like what they got here. They've been giving it a really good rough rake. And I always tell everybody, if it's a golf ball size or bigger, get it out of there, because you'll feel it when you're walking on your turf grass. But don't sweat the 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Like, you get little stones like that. Anything that fits between rake tines, you're never going to feel it. You're never going to know it's there. Don't even worry about it. So, all right, so see how the weeds are popping up? We got to spray. Now, I know guys that know what they're doing, they're going to tell you this. Well, when the weeds pop through, next year when I weed and feed, I'll get them. That is true. But the grass varieties, that's a different story. So we have those, here in the north, we don't like this. These wide bladed grasses, these wild field grasses. Guess what? Weed and feed does not get that. The only thing that gets that is veg kill. So once you have turf growing, and if you didn't spray and kill all that nasty stuff, here's a different variety right here. Nasty. See, so if you just rake everything out, put some topsoil down, seed it, and you leave that, your weed and feed won't get any grass varieties. It only takes care of weeds. If it killed a grass variety, well, then it would kill your grass seed. So spray and kill it, because there's nothing worse than having beautiful, beautiful turf, and then you get these aggressive growing field grasses that pop up through your turf like 3 days after you mowed the lawn, and they're like already 4 inches tall. So veg kill twice. Do it once, wait 5 days, do it again. And I like to use a tracker. I'm going to bring her some waterfall dye for water features, or pond dye. I like to put blue pond dye in the spray tank with the veg kill, so I can see where I sprayed already. Because you can kind of get twisted around in the middle of your weeds. And then I like to use Dawn dish soap, and yes, it has to be Dawn. I've been doing it for 30 years. A good squirt of Dawn in every pump sprayer. And now, if like a rainstorm comes through, the poison, the veg kill, won't wash off. So that's a safe veg kill. That's safe to use, and you can grow grass 10 days after putting that down. So when they get the topsoil spread and we get to the point of seeding, I'll be back and I'll fill you guys in, keep you going, so that you have success in growing your own turf grass.
Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you want me to keep doing these videos.